Hi guys, so in this video I will show you how to do hard reset of your Samsung Galaxy S9. Hard reset is always recommended for if you are selling your device or if your device is performing slow or something. To do so, just press the power off button. Once the power goes down, press volume up, Bixby and the power button together until you see the Android logo. Keep pressing. Now just leave it. It will take you to this menu. Now from here you can do factory reset, and also guys you can wipe the cache partition. And now this is very important because there is always amount of cache always left in the device. When you do a normal factory reset, when you're doing a hard reset, it will remove that and your device will perform even better. So there are two options: factory data reset. You can click power button to reset it, and then you can click on the wipe cache partition, again the power button to choose the option. After doing so, just reboot the device and it will remove any lag or any slowdown. It can be done on any Samsung device, Samsung S8, 7, S7, Note 8. So here is a quick demo. I hope it will be helpful for you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you will constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.